Welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss motion in a straight line lecture 6. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to today's topic, acceleration. First, what is acceleration? Acceleration nothing but rate of change of velocity with respect to time is known as acceleration. So, change in velocity by time taken is known as acceleration. A is equals to dv by dt. So, it is a vector quantity. Acceleration is a vector quantity. It is denoted by letter A. Rate of change of velocity with respect to time is known as acceleration. Acceleration is a vector quantity. Now, x-axis we are taking time and y-axis we are taking velocity. So, from this graph we can find out the slope, that is equals to tan theta, that is equals to y by x, that is equals to velocity by time. So, slope is equals to tan theta, that is equals to y by x, that is equals to velocity by time. So, acceleration is equals to velocity by time, change in velocity by time, or tan theta is equals to y by x is equals to we get as v2 minus v1 by t2 minus t1, that is equals to a change in time by time taken. Here change in velocity by time taken. So, a is equals to v2 minus v1 by t2 minus t1. Okay, next. So, a is equals to velocity, f nothing but final velocity, vi nothing but initial velocity. So, change in velocity nothing but final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken, that is t. So, a is equals to dv by dt. Next, position time graph for accelerated motion. So, now here we are taking position along y-axis and time is taking along x-axis. Here in this graph, the body is moving with the positive acceleration. The second one, here time is taking along x-axis and x is taking along y-axis. Here this is the behavior of the graph, it is negative acceleration. Positive acceleration nothing but change in velocity is increases with respect to time, then it is said to be positive acceleration. Negative acceleration nothing but it is when the change in velocity is decreases with respect to time, then it is said to be negative acceleration. Positive acceleration nothing but here increases with the change in velocity time, here increasing the change in velocity, here decreasing the change in velocity. When the velocity is increases with respect to time, it is said to be positive acceleration. When velocity is change in velocity is decreases with respect to time, then it is said to be negative acceleration. Next, here we are taking time is taking along x-axis and x is taking along y-axis. Thus, in this situation, zero acceleration. When body moves with a uniform velocity, its acceleration is zero. So, when a body is moving with a uniform velocity, its acceleration is zero. First one, positive acceleration, it is increases with respect to time. Here in this change in velocity is decreases with respect to time, it is negative acceleration. Here when the body is moving with uniform velocity, then its acceleration is zero. Okay, next. Now acceleration is equals to zero. So example, a car is at rest. Now car is at rest, it is not moving from one place to another place. So, velocity is equals to 0, acceleration is also equal to 0. The second one, car in uniform motion, nothing but constant velocity. Uniform motion, equal distances, equal intervals of time. So, here displacements in equal intervals of time. Then it is moving with the constant velocity. So this is moving uniform velocity, constant velocity. So A is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken. So hence Vf is equals to Vi. Final velocity is equals to initial velocity. So acceleration is equals to 0. When a body moves with constant velocity, its acceleration is equals to 0. Next. Now velocity time graph for motion with the constant acceleration. So first graph, here we are taking time is taking along x-axis and velocity is taking along y-axis. Motion in positive direction with the positive acceleration. Next, here in this situation, motion in a positive direction with the negative acceleration. Third one, this is motion in negative direction with the negative acceleration. Next, motion of an object with negative acceleration that changes direction at a time t1. So between times 0 to t1, it moves in positive x direction. Between t1 and t2, it moves in the opposite direction. Next, now we will discuss average and instantaneous acceleration. Average acceleration, nothing but change in velocity divided by the time elapsed for a complete journey, or total change in velocity by time taken. So that is instantaneous acceleration. So rate of change of velocity at every instant of time is known as instantaneous acceleration. Next, area under Vt curve. Area under Vt curve denotes the displacement. So simple one, object with uniform velocity. Here in this situation, we are finding the area under this curve. Area of OABC. So that is here it is OABC. So OA into OC. So this time into velocity gives displacement. So area under Vt curve gives displacement. Next, conclusion from Pt graphs, position time graph and velocity time graphs. Slope of position time graphs gives velocity. So here we are taking slope of Vt graphs gives acceleration. So area under Vt graphs for uniformly accelerated motion gives displacement. Okay. Next, now discuss MCQs. First one, acceleration is the dash quantity. So acceleration is a which quantity is it a scalar or vector? Now discuss. First option is scalar, second option is vector, third option is neither scalar nor vector, fourth option is both scalar and vector. So acceleration is the vector quantity. So vector quantity is the correct answer. Next, second one, the distance covered by a moving body is directly proportional to the square of its time. Then the acceleration of the body is it increasing, is it decreasing, is it zero, or it is constant. So when the distance covered by a moving body is directly proportional to the square of its time, then the acceleration of the body is constant. So the acceleration is constant. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.